So right now, the CDC testing for a possible third case of the coronavirus in Floyd County.
A woman in her 40s tested positive preliminarily after going to the hospital twice with flu-like symptoms and then being sent home. CBS 46's Ayanna Crystal continues our team coverage. She's in Rome tonight. Ayanna.
Rick, I'm told the woman was able to leave the hospital after her first trip here because she didn't miss the testing criteria for the coronavirus. Now, the 46-year-old woman is still being hospitalized here, but is isolated. We have learned that that woman has not traveled to any of the countries that are experiencing any outbreaks, but she did recently travel from Washington, D.C.
Our little town is very special. Just about everything that you see right here in front of you, we have made.
Green's Jewelers in Rome has been around for 71 years. The owner, Elaine Abercrombie, woke up to the news about a possible coronavirus case in Floyd County.
It's something to think about.
She's not concerned about being exposed to coronavirus, but she is taking precautions.
I do wash my hands, I guess, a little bit more.
Last night, Floyd Medical Center said a woman preliminary tested positive for coronavirus. The 46-year-old woman came to the Floyd Medical Center's emergency room with flu-like symptoms last Saturday.
We released her because there was no reason, according to the guidelines, to keep her.
But the woman's symptoms worsened, so she came back to the hospital on Tuesday.
We contacted public health and said, here are the patient's conditions. We think that we need to do some testing. And they said, patient doesn't meet the criteria. Our clinicians did some further testing and said, we need to admit this patient. And so we did. We admitted the patient, in spite of the fact that we were encouraged that we didn't need to. And we didn't need to do the isolation.
But she didn't meet the testing criteria for coronavirus. The health department and CDC told the hospital to release her, but the staff insisted on doing a CT scan and put her in an infectious disease room. Right now, everyone is awaiting verification from the CDC.
There are not enough testing kits right now that are available.
Dozens of people could have been exposed by this woman, and everyone is hoping the coronavirus doesn't spread around here.
Rome is a special place, but I don't want it to be special because somebody is ill.
So the staff here was correct by admitting her, even though they were told they didn't have to. I am told that the staff that had direct contact with this woman, they are at home and being self-quarantined. But we are talking about people possibly being exposed to her in the waiting room and from Saturday until Tuesday. For now, that's the latest in Floyd County. Ayanna Crystal, CBS 46 News.